This is my audience, and this is my note card. Just the one. And I'm going to pass it off to my camera person. I'm Alexa Fisher, and I will be talking about potty training. As a parent, I know that potty training is a monumental part of growing up for a child. There comes a time in every parent's life when they have to potty train their children. So you may ask yourself, how do I go about it? When is the right age to start? And how can I tell when my child is ready? First, you have to look at your child's daily activities. Does he or she complain or become irritated when they're wet? Do they take off their diapers? Or do they verbally state potty or wet or I have to go? Or any other verbal phrases that let you know when they have to use the potty? Well, this might be your cue that your child is ready to start using the toilet. Many parents question, when is the right age to start? Many parents start when their child is about 18 months old, because 18 months old is when children begin to understand better and communicate better with their parents. If your child is not ready when they're 18 months old, that's okay. You can start in a couple months from then, or whenever your child gives their cue that they're ready to start using the potty. There are many different techniques to potty training your child. You can never pick a technique for every child that you have. Some techniques work well for one child and another works different for a different child. So you just keep in mind that each child is different, and you just have to go with what works best for them. The first technique I will be talking about is going from diapers to pull-ups and then to underwear. Parents tend to use pull-ups because pull-ups are more like diapers in absorbency-wise, but they're similar to underwear because you can learn how to pull them up and down. And that's an easy way to transition your child from diapers into underwear. If you don't want to use that technique because your child tends to think that pull-ups are another form of a diaper, so they keep just using the pull-up as a place where to go, you might want to try diapers to underwear, because underwear is what they're going to end up with anyway, so why won't just cut out the middleman? Underwear tend not to absorb anything, so they know exactly when they're wet, but it does put a damper on your laundry. Another technique would be going from diapers to nothing at all as the bottoms. You can just teach them to run around free in your house and just use the potty when they have to. This works better because they don't have to worry about pulling their pants up and down. Along with all these techniques, you can use a reward system. Many parents use some type of reward to get their child to be motivated to use the potty. Some parents use a sticker chart where you can put up a sticker for each time you go to the bathroom. Or you can get a toy at the store the next time you go. Or you can even have a jar full of some type of snack. It could be healthy or it could be junk food, any type of snack that they don't usually get on a daily basis, that you can reward them every time they go to the bathroom. Maybe a cookie or a piece of candy or just anything that you don't usually give them. This tends to work good for the younger kids because they feel they get a treat every time they go. Now I'm going to talk about the equipment that you need when you are starting to potty train. Some parents like to use books and other references to help them get ideas how to potty train their children. You can also, you're also going to need the potty training seats, which I have an example right here. This is a potty seat. It fits over the top of your regular toilet, or you can use a 3-in-1, which I don't have right now. It's a potty seat like that one, and it fits over a box with a hole in the middle. It has a little cup, and then it also has a cap that can